After teaching 2,500 students and building one of Australia's top workshops, I finally put everything online. Let me show you. We've been open for just a few days. Members are joining from all across Australia, New South Wales, Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne, Brisbane, Gold Coast. Complete beginners and experienced bakers, all in the same space. Different levels, same direction. For the past 5 years, I've been teaching this method in person every weekend, hundreds of 5-star reviews. And I'm so excited because this full framework is open to everyone. What's inside? Inside, everything is structured around one clear method, the 2-hour sourdough method. Step-by-step guidance, a space to share your bread and get feedback, direct answer from me inside the Q&A, monthly live sessions to go deeper. So in the resources, you will get the full method, how to create a sourdough starter, the 2-hour sourdough method, how to make sourdough pizza, recipes and videos, plus fundamental sourdough videos explaining science behind, PDF, quiz, guides, and much more. And live calls. We meet together once a month, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Brisbane time. If you cannot attend, that it's not a problem. You can pop your question in here and I will be answering them during the live call. Also, when you share your bread result, you unlock advanced technique and specialty breads. Plus, not to mention the benefit that you're getting from this community. You're getting a 5% discount on the shop, getting a local Australian certified organic flour I've been using for 5 years, and it's been giving me all the students consistent result. You can also get the tools that you need for starting your sourdough journey. You get 10% discount on the all live workshop, Gold Coast, Brisbane and Melbourne. Plus, you're getting a $130 discount on the online course. This is where you have all the videos and you can go at your pace. And plus the bonuses, usually it's $178. You get the same price as my students, just $48. What makes unique this platform is this is not about jumping between recipes. This is a guided learning environment where you improve step by step. You follow the method, you share the result, and you unlock more as you grow. If you're ready to take your sourdough to the next level, you can join us inside. You can explore everything with a 14 days free trial. And if you join before March 31st, you lock the $9 month funding rate for life. After that, it moves to 14. Looking forward to see you inside. Ciao belli.
I'm excited to see the incredible healthy loaves you'll create on this journey.